This is a study based on a previous design specifically to create a higher standard of living for affordable housing. The previous design had 93 attached units on 6.75 acres, resulting in almost 14 units per acre. For this study, we modified the floor plan using the identical square footage and overall dimensions, but instead of attaching the units, they are now freestanding single-family detached townhomes. The interior layout changed a little, and the main floor to provide a panoramic view on the parking side of the home where the stagger is created. This changed the location of the kitchen to allow a sliding glass door on the side towards the front of the unit. The non-parking side of the unit features a blank wall void of any windows for a zero lot line situation. This design retained a one-car garage, but now there is stacking on the side of the unit to allow parking for 2 vehicles instead of the one inset for the attached townhomes. Let's assume for this example, the raw land cost is $100,000 per acre, which would result in a total of $7,143 per unit for the raw land. This new site layout has 60 attached townhomes and 28 single-family townhomes for a total of 88 homes, or 13 units per acre. This results in a raw land cost per unit of $550 on average, more than the all-attached plan. Additional cost would be the added exterior wall as well as the extra paving for the stacked vehicles. As you can see by the tour, this option serves more variety of housing choices without destroying the economic advantages of this more advanced design. If this is of interest, please contact us for more information.